Good day. Welcome to Teacher Ariel TV. Today, you are going to learn about finding the perimeter of squares and rectangles. Perimeter is the distance around a two-dimensional shape. I have here the perimeter formulas of square and rectangle. We have here square. The formula of square, we have here perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side, or perimeter equals 4 times side, or 4s. And the rectangle, perimeter equals length plus width plus width, or perimeter equals 2 times L plus W, where L and W equals length and width of the rectangle respectively. Now, let us find the perimeter of a square. One side of a square measures 5 centimeters. Now, let us find the perimeter. We are going to write the formula. We have here perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side, or we are going to write P equals S plus S plus S plus S. Now, we are going to write 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 5 centimeters. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. So the answer is 20 centimeters. Another formula we have here, perimeter equals 4 times side, or we are going to write P equals 4 times S, or we are going to write 4 times 5 centimeters. So 4 times 5 equals 20. So the answer is 20 centimeters. Another, find the perimeter of a square. One side of a square measures 12 centimeters. We are going to write the formula, perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side, or we are going to write P equals S plus S plus S plus S. Next, we write 12 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 12 centimeters. So 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 equals 48 centimeters. So the answer is 48 centimeters. Another formula we have here, perimeter equals 4 times side, or we're going to write P equals 4 times S. We write 4 times 12 centimeters. So 4 times 12 equals 48. So the answer is 48 centimeters. Now, let us solve the word problem. Find the perimeter of a square part whose each side measures 23 yards. So first, we are going to write the formula. We have here perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side, or P equals S plus S plus S plus S. We are going to write P equals 23 yards plus 23 yards plus 23 yards plus 23 yards. So the answer is 92 yards. Another formula we have here, perimeter equals 4 times side, or we're going to write 4 times S. P equals 4 times 23 yards. 4 times 23 equals 92. So the answer is 92 yards. Another problem. The length of each side of a playground is 45 feet. If the playground is shaped like a square, what is its perimeter? First, we are going to write the formula. We have here perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side. or we are going to write P equals S plus S plus S plus S. Next, P equals 45 feet plus 45 feet plus 45 feet plus 45 feet. So the answer is 180 feet. Another formula, perimeter equals 4 times side, or we're going to write P equals 4 times S. P equals 4 times 45 feet. 4 times 45 equals 180. So the answer is 180 feet. How about perimeter of a rectangle? So we have here, the length of the rectangle measures 12 centimeters and the width is 7 centimeters. So first, we are going to write the formula of the rectangle. The formula of the rectangle is perimeter equals length plus width, or we are going to write P equals L plus W plus W. P equals 12 centimeters plus 12 centimeters plus 7 centimeters plus 7 centimeters. So 12 plus 12 plus 7 plus 7 equals 38. So the answer is 38 centimeters. Another formula we have here, 2 times length plus width, or we are going to write P equals 2 times L plus W. So P equals 2 times the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeters plus the width of the rectangle is 7 centimeters. So 12 plus 7 equals 19. So we are going to write 2 times 19 centimeters. So 2 times 19 equals 38 centimeters. So the answer is 38 centimeters. Another problem. Find the perimeter of a rectangle. So the length is 23 centimeters and the width is 14 centimeters. First, we are going to write the formula we have here. Perimeter equals length plus width, or we are going to write P equals L plus W plus W. So we're going to write P equals 23 centimeters plus 23 centimeters plus 14 centimeters plus 14 centimeters. So 23 plus 23 plus 14 equals 74. So the answer is 74 centimeters. Another formula we have here, perimeter equals 2 times length plus width. So we are going to write P equals 2 times L plus W. P equals 2 times the length is 23 centimeters plus the width is 14 centimeters. So 23 plus 14 equals 37 centimeters. So we're going to write 2 multiplied by 37 centimeters. So 2 times 37 equals 74 centimeters. So the answer is 74 centimeters. Let's solve this word problem. Maria's room has dimensions of length 17 feet and the width 12 feet. What is the perimeter of her room? First, we are going to write the formula we have here. Perimeter equals length plus width, or P equals L plus W plus W. So P equals 17 feet plus 17 feet plus 12 feet plus 12 feet equals 58. So the answer is 58 feet. Another formula we have here, perimeter equals 2 times length plus width, or we are going to write P equals 2 times L plus W. So P equals 2 times the length is 17 feet plus the width is 12 feet. So 17 plus 12 equals 29. So 2 times 29 equals 58. So the answer is 58 feet. Another problem. The length of a mathematics book is 13 inches and the width is 9 inches. Find the perimeter of the mathematics book. First, we are going to write the formula. We have here perimeter equals length plus width plus width. Or we are going to write P equals L plus W plus W. Now, we are going to write 13 inches plus 13 inches plus 9 inches plus 9 inches. So, 13 plus 13 plus 9 plus 9 equals 44. So, the answer is 44 inches. Now, let's try another formula. We have here perimeter equals 2 times length plus width, or P equals 2 times L plus W. P equals 2 times 13 inches plus 9 inches. So 13 plus 9 equals 22. So 22 times 2 equals 44. So the answer is 44 inches. Quiz time, let's answer this. Find the perimeter. You only have 10 seconds to answer. Start now. Time's up. The answer is 36 centimeters. Next. Time's up. The answer is 60 centimeters. Next. Time's up. The answer is 110 centimeters. Another. Time's up. The answer is 148 centimeters. Next, the side length of a square-shaped sandbox in school is 24 feet. Find the perimeter of the sandbox. Time's up. The answer is 96 feet. Next, Ramir wants to measure the perimeter of his bedroom. His bedroom floor is an exact square and the one side measures 5 meters. What is the perimeter of Ramir's room? Time's up. The answer is 20 meters. Another problem. A rectangle swimming pool is 20 meters wide and 10 meters in length. Find the perimeter of the swimming pool. times up. The answer is 60 meters. Another problem. A rectangular piece of cake is 32 centimeters long and 14 centimeters wide. What is its perimeter? Times up. The answer is 92 centimeters. That's all for now. I hope you enjoy learning about finding the perimeter of a square and a rectangle. Thanks for watching.